How to add Tubebuddy extension on Chrome. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add Tubebuddy extension on Chrome. So let's get into it. Tubebuddy allows you to optimize your YouTube channel and it will help you work on the SEO and more. In order to add the extension to your Chrome, you're going to go to your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. You can also go to chrome.google.com and it will take you right here. In the search bar, you're going to search for Tubebuddy. This is the first one you can see, Tubebuddy. Now you're going to click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension and the extension will be downloaded. Once the extension is downloaded, you will be able to find it right here and you can pin it as well. Let's pin it. So once it's done, if you already have an account, you're just going to log in. If you do not have an account on Tubebuddy, then you can create one. And then you can add Tubebuddy to your channel and use it on your YouTube. So all you need to do is after adding the extension, just sign in to your Tubebuddy and you will be able to use it. This is how you add Tubebuddy extension on Chrome. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.